ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। This Ena, Vagadi Devata, Ena, this comes for Idam also, Dvitiya Bhavachan, Strilinga, as well as Idam also. Etad also and Idam also. Both are there. Shukla Yajurvediya, Kanva Aranyaka Upanishad, page number 116, mantra number 12. टीका सामान्योक्तम अर्थम विशेषेण प्रपंचयति। सामान्योक्तम अर्थम was that all these Vagadi devatas, they attained their devata rupa. Devata rupa means they were going to manifest their glory. Now, for each devata, it will be said. प्रथमामत्यवहत् सा यदा मृत्युमत्यमुच्यत सो अग्निरभवत् सोऽयम् अग्निः परेण मृत्क्रान्तो in the mantra मृत्युमतिक्रांतो सवै वाचम. So now vak is there. Savai saprana. If it is वाचम एव प्रथमाम अत्यवहत, it as if carried, took the vak to its devata rupam. सा यदा मृत्युम अत्यमुच्यत, when that vak devata crossed the mrityu, so agni hi abhavat, it became agni. सोयम अग्नि ही परेण मृत्युम अतिक्रांतो दीप्यते. This agni, having gone beyond mrityu, दीप्यते, it shines. अतिक्रांतो दीप्यते. So mrityu is this papam which was transcended by Vak Devata with the help of prana. Tika. Savai vaच भाष्य सवै वाचमेव प्रथमाम अत्यवहत. That prana took vacha alone first. सब प्राण वाचमेव प्रथमां प्रधानां so hopefully you will have better connection. Is it better now?
Yes, Shravanji.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
We hear you, Swamiji.
टीका वाचो मृत्युम अतिक्रांताया रूपम प्रश्नपूर्वकम प्रदर्शयति. अतिक्रांताया, that ta is missing. वाचो मृत्युम अतिक्रांताया रूपम प्रश्नपूर्वकम प्रदर्शयति. E is there, ta is not there. So a question in the form of a question, it is asked. Vacho mrutyam atikramanam means what? That Vani transcended mrityu means what? That is put in the bhashya. Tasyaha punar mrityum atitya udhayaha kim rupam ityuchyate. Tasyaha वाग्देवतायाः पुनः मृत्युमतीत्य ऊढायाः किं रूपम्. ऊढायाः, what is the धातु? वह धातु. संप्रसारण has happened. ऊढ. In Upadesh Sahasri, that day, that word was there, apodhe. Apodhe was there. Udhayaha kim rupam iti uchyate. In tika, anagnehe agnitva virodham dhunite. Vak, if it is anagni, how it can become agni? So it is said, actually it was already agni. Because anagnehe agnitvam is virodham. That virodham is dhunite, means it is being eliminated, is refuted. Sa vak yada yasmin kale papmanam mrutyum atyamuchyata atitya amuchyata मोचिता स्वयमेव तदा सो अग्निरभवत्. सा वाक् पूर्वमपि अग्निरेव सती मृत्युवियोगे अपि अग्निरेव अभवत्. सो सा वाक् अग्निः पूर्वमपि अग्निः एव सती. वाक् was already agni, but because of sins it was covered. That agnitvam was not expressed. Like, I am already Brahma. but because of avidya, ajnanam, that brahmatva is not expressing. When ajnanam is removed, then aham brahma asmi. So aham brahma asmi, so aham brahma was there before also. It is not there now only. Dashamatvam of the Dashamaha, before also he was 10th man. After also Gaveshanat Prak, Dashame Vinashte, Paschat Labdhe, Dashamatvam Ekam. Before inquiry, Gaveshanat Prak, when the thought was Dashama is Vinashta. And Paschat Labdhe, when Dashama is found, Dashamatvam is Ekam only, same. Like that, Agnitvam is same. Mochita, सा वाग यदा यस्ले पापमानं मृत्युम इत्य अमुच्यत. That vag, when it left the papam, which is in the form of mrityum, atyamuchyata, ati muchyat, atitya amuchyata. Mochita, mochita, much dhatu.
Even
In much dhatu, there is a sutra, nishtayam seti. Nishtha pratyaya means, what is nishtha? Tak tavatu nishtha. Here, ta pratyay is there. In that, it is said, so it agama is there. So, because in dhatu there is no e, but e is there. So now mochita, swayameva, sa vag yada swayameva mochita, tada, so agni rabhavat. Then that itself became agni. सा वाक् पूर्वमपि अग्निरेव सति मृत्यु वियोगे अपि अग्निरेव अभवत्. Okay, so when mrityu viyoga happened, it became agni. Eta wants to vishesho mrityu viyoge. Then somebody says earlier also it was agni. Now also what is the difference? How people say Vedanta, earlier also you were Brahma. Eta wants to vishesho mrityu viyoge. सोयम अतिक्रांतो अग्नि परेण मृत्युम परस्तान मृत्योर दीप्यते. So what is the vishesha when mrityu yoga happens? Ayam atikranto agnihi parena mrityum parastan mrityoho dipyate. This agni, which was earlier 6 number tippani, papa papat nishkrantah. So that agni, which is as if not able to express because of the papa, when nishkranta, when released from the jaws of the death or sin, it is free now. So now it shines. Agni hi dipyate. Dipyate is for agni. Parena mrityum mrityoho parastat. Agni which was there before, agni which is there later, but later it shines. Prang mokshan. टीका पूर्वमपि वाचो अग्नित्वे न उपासना लभ्यम तद अग्नित्वम इति आशंका. If it was already Agni before, then that Vacha Agnitvam is not Upasana Labhyam. It is not attained through Upasana because it was already there. So it is said no, it is attained through this Upasana. Uktam Vishesham Vishadayati. That Vishesha is explained further. Prang Mokshan Mrityu Pratibadho Adhyatma Vagatmana Na Idani Miva Tipti Asi. Dipyate Mrityu Viyogat. Prang Mokshat, before liberation. Mokshat Prang, liberation from Papa, Mrityu. Mrityu Pratibaddaha Adhyatma Vagatmana. Mrityuna Pratibaddaha. Mrityu Pratibaddaha Adhyatma Vagatmana Na Idani Miva Diptaman Asit. Agnihi Idani Miva Diptiman Na Asit. Idanim tu mrityum parena dipyate. Now, because the mrityu is eliminated, mrityum parena means having gone beyond mrityu, dipyate. In the previous sentence in Tika, parenam, in Bhashya, parena mrityum parastan mrityoho dipyate. Parena mrityu is explained as parastan mrityoho. Mrityoho parastat, after mrityu. But mrityum parena, that is easier to understand. In other words, we have so many hang-ups in our life because of which we are held back. You let go of them, you will shine. This is the basic thing. Small things we get attached to, small things we identify with, and that's why we can't rise high. And sometimes we think that is my prarabdha, that is how it is meant to be. All these are excuses only. This is not real. Everybody can work hard and everybody can break those shackles of limitations, finitude, etc. Or simple things like certain desires, certain attachments that we have, that we think, how can I let go of this? How can I? But you can let go. This is the main point here. Now he explains, just like Vak, other devatas also. Atha pranam atyavahat sa yada mrityumatyamuchyata sa vayurabhavat soyam vayuhu parena mrityumatikrantah bhavate. Pranam atyavahat. Pranam atyavahat. Who is the karta of this vakya? And what is the karma of this vakya?
Vayu is karta.
Prana is karta. Because who is going to do atyavahanam? Prana. No, prana means grana. Karma will be grana. And the presiding deity is Vayu. So, earlier also we saw pranam is actually grana. They have given whatever is given now in this mantra, that is what we have to take. Ashwini Kumara is the right one, but here they have given Vayu. Atha pranam atyavahat. Atha prano prana rupena granam atyavahat. Sayada mrityum atyamuchyata. When it transcended the mrityu, So Vayuhu abhavat. Then it became Vayu. So here, as I said, Vayu is not necessarily presiding deity. Ashwini Kumara we say, but here prana is felt or experienced through Vayu. A grana is experienced through Vayu. Means smell comes only through Vayu. That's why. So ayam Vayuhu parena mrutyum atikrantaha pavate. That Vayu now mrutyum parena, having gone beyond mrityu, atikrantaha pavate, now it blows freely. What is the question?
Hari Om Swamiji. Swamiji, the same. The question was asked, how is it Upasana and not Jnana? Because Vayuradi, they had Asakti, and because of which they attained this Mrityu.
Vayuradi
Mrityu is the Asakti. The Mrityu that is mentioned is Asakti, right, Swamiji? Because of which they lost their Devatva. So it is only that they have given up that asakti. How is that? It is just, and it was also mentioned that it is avidya.
No, this is Upasana topic. You will see further. It will come.
Oops.
In Tika, in Bhashya, Yatha Tatha Prano means Grano, Vayur abhavat. Prana is actually Grana. Satu pavate mrutyum parena atikrantaha. Saha granaha saha Vayuhu pavate mrutyum parena atikrantaha. It has transcended the mrityu. Sarvam anyat uptartham. Everything else is already said. Bhashyakar says, I have already explained. Now next one. Atha chakshuratyavahat tad yada mrityumatyamuchyata sa adityo abhavat asavadityah parena mrityumatikrantas-tapati. Then atha chakshuhu atyavahat. Pranaha chakshuhu atyavahat. Chakshuhu, which vibhakti is that? Dvitiya. Prana is carried chakshu now. Carried means took it across the head. Tad yada mrityum atyamuchyata, when it crossed the mrityu, then sa adityo abhavat, it became Aditya, presiding deity over chakshu. Asau Aditya parena mrityum atikrantaha tapati. That Aditya is now tapati. Having transcended the mrityu. Tika only saying tatha chakshur adityo abhavat satu tapati. Chakshu is now Aditya. So each became Devata and attained their glory. Next mantra. Atha shrotramatyavahat tad yada mrityumatyamuchyata ta disho abhavan sta ima dishaha parena mrityumatikrantaha. Then Shrotra Indriya, when it atyavahat kaha pranaha. Pranaha Shrotram atyavahat.
Sanskar.
Tad yada mrityum atyamuchyata, when it crossed the mrityu, tadisho abhavans. Then it became disha. Taha disho abhavans. Ta ima dishaha parena mrityum atikrantaha. Disha is bahuvachanam. So that's why abhavans. And taha imaha dishaha parena mrityum atikrantaha. So disha transcended. What is the question?
जी अत्यवहत का एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग क्या है?
Atyavat means transcended. Actually, literal meaning is it did vahanam. Atishayana avahat means it took as if somewhere having reached where it won't come back to its old state again. So prana took Vagindriya to Devatatva. Prana took Chakshurindriya to Devatatva, like that. Vahanam means to carry, to take. टीका भाष्य तथा श्रोत्रम दिशो अभवन दिशः प्राच्यादि विभागेन अवस्थिताः प्राची प्रचीति प्रतीचि प्राची प्रतीचि like that and उत्तर दक्षिण इत्यादि विभागेन अवस्थिताः. Further 16th मंत्र अथ मनो अत्यवहत् तद यदा मृत्युमत्यमुच्यत स चंद्रमा अभवत्. मनो अत्यवहत् तद यदा मृत्युमत्यमुच्यत, when this mind got rid of mrityu, then it became chandrama, because chandrama is the presiding deity of mind. So असौ चंद्रः परेण मृत्युम अतिक्रांतो भाति एवं ह वा एनम एषा देवता मृत्युम अतिवहति य एवं वेद. So mrityu, Chandrama shines having gone beyond mrityu. Evam, in this way, hava enam esha devata mrityu mativahati. Enam upasakam esha devata mrityu mativahati. So this upasaka also will be taken away from mrityu. The one who does this kind of upasana. भाष्य मनश्चंद्रमा भाति यथा पूर्व यजमानम वागादि अग्न्यादि भावेन मृत्युमत्यवहत्. Just as पूर्व यजमानम वागादि अग्न्यादि भावेन मृत्युम अत्यवहत्. So Vag became Agni, etc. when mrityu was taken away. Evam एनम वर्तमान यजमानम अपि हवा एषा प्राण देवता मृत्युम अतिवहति. In the same way, now also if somebody becomes prana upasaka, he is vartamana yajmana. Then for that also prana devata mrityum ativahati. Prana devata will do ativahanam of mrityu. Vagadi agnyadi bhavena evam yo vagadi panchaka vishishtam pranam veda. The one who Vagadi Agnyadi Bhave, Vag is nothing but Agni, then Chakshu is Aditya, Shrotram is Dishaha, etc. In this way, Vagadi Agnyadi Bhave, Bhavena Evam, Yo Vagadi Panchaka Vishishtam Pranam Veda. The one who knows Vagadi Panchaka Vishishta Prana. Prana which has Vag, Chakshu, Manaha, Shrotra, Prana. All of them are its Visheshas. In this way one knows and does upasana. That you have to understand. Now see tika. Vagadinam Agnyadi Devatatva Praptau Upasakasya Kim Ayatam Nahi Tadeva Tasya Phalam Iti Ashankya. Somebody says, okay, Vagadi Devata attend Agnyadi Devatatva. What does Upasaka get out of this? Upasakasya Kim Ayatam. So that is his phalam, that Agni, Vag Devata attends Agni. He said, no, that cannot be Upasakasya phalam. Iti Ashankya Yatha iti. Continuing in tika, Devatatva Pratibandhakan Manaha Sarvan Apohya उक्तवर्त्मना भागादीनाम उपासकोपाधि भूतानाम अग्न्यादि देवता आप्त्या एव सोपि सदा प्राणम आत्मत्वेन ध्यायन् भावना बलात् वैराजं पदम पूर्व यजमानवत् आपनोति इति भावः. This Vartamana Yajamana also will get Vairajam Padam. He will also become Virat. Like Purva Yajamana also got it in this way. How did he do? Sada Pranam Atmatvena Dhyayan. This is the main thing. You have to do Ahang Rahopasana. I am Prana. I am Hiranyagarbha. So now Sada Pranam Atmatvena Dhyayan and Padam is Vairajam. Virajaha Ayam Vairajam. So Hiranyagarbha and Virat, sometimes these words are used because Prana is always used for Hiranyagarbha and Virat is Vairajam Padam. So in Tippani, second number Vairajam Padam Pranakhyam. Pranakhyam Vairajam. Devatatva Pratibandhakan Papmanah Sarvan Apohya. All those papas which are creating the Pratibandhaka for Devata, Sarvan Apohya, Ukta Vartmana, as per the previously given path, Vagadinam Upasaka Upadi Bhutanam Agnyadi Devata Aptyeva. Aptya means Praptyeva. Devata Apti. Vagadi Devata, Vagadinam Upasaka Upadhi. They are the Upadhi of Upasaka. They will attain Agni Devatatva and this Yajman will become Hiranyagarbha. That is his phalam. Kasya idam phalam iti akankszayam upasakam vishinashti. Whose phalam is this? The one who knows this Prana Devata which has this Vagadi as its Visheshas. Uktopasanasya praguktam phalam anugunam iti atra manam aha. That Upasana has this kind of gunam, anugunam, anurupam, phalam. This kind of phalam is there for this Upasana. In that, is there any pramanam? So pramanam is this is important vakya. Tam yatha yatha upasate tadeva bhavati. Udgala Upanishad. Iti Shruti. Tam yatha yatha upasate. A person, whatever kind of upasana he does, that is what he will become. Tippani is not elaborated. Yatha yatha upasate tam atmanam. In whichever way I think of myself, that is what I will become. If I think of myself, means whatever I go on thinking. If I go on thinking as I am Hiranyagarbha, I will become Hiranyagarbha. I will do Brahma Upasanam, I become Brahma. But I become Brahma means I attain Brahma Loka Ityadi, then Krama Mukti can happen. And if I understand I am Brahma, then it is not Krama Mukti, it is Satya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.